Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Kajing yo jing itu na kikin huan bapau jang kari India kalawan ra ik jing sngo sarang ba jing kemen ka bakraw ya ka kin huan ka sur na nong kendong hadien ba ka kin huan ki long kemi na Hyderabad kabla tip kom ka Raga Club Hyderabad India kala hiar shnong lynching hathain mau ken ro ba nyo sngo mar khmat ik jing tem ba jing rai jong ki ha ka ar phlai tre unai tung arja ar pen rio ka sur na nong kendong ring kat ba ka Raga Hyderabad kila pen long ye ka program tem rwai bat shat ha community hall ka shnong lynching kabla kring ru ya bon ki pat ba ban sakhi ya kani ga jinge kendo habakren hakani ga sngi ka sapna thirani founder jong Raga Club Hyderabad kala ong ba min shwa kala shiu I tangling ba ga social media ya ga jing internet bar ka jing karpang jong rukam tem bat rwai jong ka sur na nong kendong hinrei da ka jing thrang ban yo I hi mar khmat ya ka te ka sap kala shim ya ka rai ban wan lynching ban rwai bat shat lang bat ka kin hon kala pin pau ru ik jing sngo phla habak latip bagi babon ni gid khot jang ka sur na nong kendong kim shem la yo jing hi kai ne jing pin tebet ha ka put ka tem hinrei ki la ban pin I ka sap ka bakir pang ka baki dan
I would like thank God for this day. You are all welcome to this program, especially Raha from Hyderabad. I hope this day, together here, I hope you will enjoy this program, but I hope this program will be great and successful. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
We learn our music with our own talent. God give us. No one teaches us. We are not supposed to go. Every day we spend our time in our room field and in our material field. When we come back before bedtime, we take this instrument and we try with ourselves to play. From that time, you see now, it's happened like this. I can say this is the blessing from the sky. And just a little bit about the people of Lanching Village. The people of Lanching Village, we love and respect the visitors. We love and respect each other. And the people of Lanching Village, when they find someone, when they come to our village, they are hungry, we give them food to eat. And when we see somebody thirsty, we give them water to drink. That is the mindset of our people of Lanching Village.
Really proud to have such artists in our country, and we as Raga Club, which is all about music. So we are in Hyderabad, these are all our members, and Raga is a club which love music, which like to promote music, and we all sit together and sing songs and enjoy the music, and same we will do here. So let's hear from our other founders also what they want to say.
Congratulations and thank you for calling us here. We are very बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग खुश हैं यहाँ आकर आप सबसे मिलकर और आप लोग का टैलेंट देखने का हमें मौका मिला, इसलिए हमारा सौभाग्य है कि हम आप लोगों का टैलेंट देखेंगे और हम सब एंजॉय करेंगे. Thank you.
We are very, very happy to come here and to see your talent. We got a chance. And it's our privilege to get the chance to see the local artists, and that too I am so astonished to know that you all, this is all natural talent, you have not learned from anyone. So these beautiful girls, we want to see them dancing, and we will also dance with you. So let's make it a memorable afternoon. All the best, all the best.
On social media, I saw this troupe of Mr. Raisen and they were playing music. So I connected them on social media, and then there I came to know that this is a cultural group who perform local music and play local instruments on their own. They are not trained, they have self-trained. So he told me, I told them that we want a session with you people. A culture from Northeast will really inspire our music souls. So I contacted Mr. Raisen and he told me that, ma'am, if you want to take the feel of this local music, then please come to our village. This is Lenching village, Shillong, Meghalaya, and we are really blessed to have such an experience of the soulful music, self-trained artists, and such a warm, welcoming heart and people of Lenching village and the headman of Lenching village that we can't express the moments we spent here. Our souls are really fulfilled. As a Raga Club of Hyderabad, our motto is to enlighten your musical spirits. So, your village people and the artist and this rock star singer, what is your name? Vaibha. Vaibha is the true rock star of Northeast and India, who is a real performer. What the beats, what the music, and we really blessed to have such vibrant culture in India, which makes us really special. Ours is a club in Hyderabad, all about music. Its name is Raga, And raga in English means a traditional melodic framework used for improvisation, derived from the Sanskrit word color or mood. It is not a fixed tune or scale, but a set of specific musical notes is the meaning of raga.
Kasun Nanong Kendang.
Kasun Nanong Kandang.
Their band.
Kasun Nanong.
I will show you the link.
So, see, music has no boundaries. Music is the treat to ears, and music in whichever, this is what is famous about music. Music is music in every language. So even the Kasuna Nong Kendang. In Kasuna Nong Kendon, music is also a music, and music has no boundaries. It has rhythm, it has soul and tune, which can be in any language. So this is a message for all the music lovers and all the event managers and all the celebrities and celebrating people of India. If you want to do something new, don't look around the world. Look in India, in such villages like Lenching and in Meghalaya, where so many people have made a cultural troupe, and they are really promoting music, and they can give you such magical moments. So I want you to ask your event managers to organize or to plan such an event where they call the local artists of different villages of India. Just like we have experienced a local artist from Lenching village, Meghalaya. So ours is a group of 110 ladies in Raga group in Hyderabad, and all of us are very good homemakers, but we have such hobbies like music and art. So many of us have really visited Shillong, Meghalaya. But for me, this is the first time, and for a club as a whole, this is the first time that we have come to Shillong for such an cultural experience and listen to the local music of Lenching village, and thanks to Mr. Raisen and Headband. So I really thanks from the bottom of our heart and from Raga Club to have us in your village and give us this blissful experience. It was magnificent and magical. It seems like a meditation to us. We are really blessed. Thank you all, Lenching village. We love you.
Habakren hakani ka program uba Raisen Nongrum President ka Surna Nong Kendong ulapen pawi ka jing ngok kemen ka bakraw banyo jing itu na kikinhon gi bawan na shabar ka jalla ulo ong bagani ka long ka jing ai men siam ka kinhon mandang bateng ban kintiwe ka put ka tem bal banishim benta hai ki program ba pher haba ki yo jing khan
The Jimut Kalongba hadin bakini ki long kami na po Hyderabad lengba ka Raga Club Musical Joki kila poringa ki omba Nila yu iya kene ka cintam cipur joki kabala kata sisa ki brio po India ban nila yu ka ban page ki Instagram ya ka Facebook tu perlok na saudong di India tena ka sakarang ko abni kendu pi markman tinggal ong iki ba ka program ngin penlong ong ki ong yang aba dan kam tang ban cintam markman nama bros katang hi tang ba ka video jadi sak ni program ke banda organize hakata kurkom hendai kalong tang ban supun I ya ka ka baki angnot ka sap chungi ka baki su I ka video hendai mentapet ke I markman kata de cimut chukane program kadai kasen beningkong aso bha sibnai men chwa kila phoni nga masanong rum ngi kwa ban wana chnong jongpi ngi kwa bin kudu bat pi kimong wana chnong kadai ngapan ngas ngau dei bakin wan bet hasnong na markani ke chnong len sing de ke chaka seng ye ke kunun tem surna kondong ba ka cukup por ke chnong ka kadon ye ki chimpla ka ya ke cukup por kan long ka ban kentiu ye ke chnong ha ka tursim ro na mar bangi don sibuni chaka ka kai pot te kadai kasen beningkong mani kudu bat ki tenga ngai ban ni khmat kan sa kacing anu cungi kalong bangin nang keu susu baleng ba chungki pin yarap lem ban share sikwi pat baleng bakin yo page ru ya ka channel ke chungpi kin sa tip ya ka surnong kendong bat ndala tip kin sa khot yangi kin leit bat ngilong balak kloi ban leit ngulu jaka barkin po Hyderabad ru jilong yang ha ka wi ka por ngin sa invite pisa po Hyderabad ngin agile chungi ong yes we are ready to go
Habatin page bahagi kishap kashap plus F
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya